guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing BoxyCharm unboxing for February. Please excuse the way I look. It's my day off and I didn't feel like getting all dolled up. So let's get into this. See, it's gonna be Afterglow. See that? Of course they have the all the products and the prices on the back. So let's get into this here. The first thing I pull out is Touch and Soul, sorry. No Pore Blem Primer. Smooth and pore covering. Top secret for perfect makeup. Very interesting. It's like a pinkish color. You see that? It's got a very just a lotiony type of smell. It's like pink. Oh, it's kind of bright. Give that a try. And please excuse, I got a new setup here and I'm still trying to, learn how to work with it. So then the next thing is the Coco Cabana Cream Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. Sol de Janeiro, is that the name of the company? That's very weird. That's a cool, new design. An instant rush of hydration for visibly luscious skin and lasting moisture. That's really good to have right now, especially with the winter months. I'm sure a lot of people know what it's like. Your skin dries out so badly. Okay, so then the next thing we have is what is this? Magnetic Luminous Eye Color, and it's copper foil. Who is this by? Nude Sticks. This is interesting. Magnet. How is it magnet? Open this up so we can see it. It's a very pretty color. Wow, that's very pigmented. Can you see that? Very interesting. Definitely have to give that a try. I've been wanting this for so long, and now I don't have to go buy it. Thanks, BoxyCharm. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I've been hearing things about this for years. I just never bought it. There's the wand. Definitely have to try that. I heard it was compared to the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise mascara, which this is my favorite, so I'm really excited to try this one. Alright, what else do we have? Last thing is Pretty Vulgar Bronze Bee Bronze Mannequini. Obviously it's a bronzer. Very cute packaging. Can you see that? Sorry, I'm trying to block the light here so you can see that. There we go. See the color? I don't know if that'll work for me. It seems a little dark. Ooh, that's very smooth. You see that? I don't know. That might be a little bit too dark for me. I am gonna give it a try, but I mean, you see how pale I am? Okay, let's get into the prices here. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is $24. The bronzer is $32. The pore primer is $18. The Coco Cabana cream is $20, and then the Nude Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color pencil is $24. So that's a pretty good box, I think. Very interested to try all of these. I'm gonna open this cream here. See what it smells like. Plastic and long nails do not mix. There, we got it. It comes off. Has a little lip right there. Oh wow, that is like oh my god, that triggered a memory. Sorry, it smells like my grandma's house when she would make cookies for the holidays. Oh man, I'm sorry to get emotional. It just, whew, it gave me a flashback to holidays there. But sorry. But thank you for tuning into this video. Again, I'm sorry for the, you know, all over the place. Got a new setup here, like I said. I'm still trying to work through the kinks here, but thank you guys so much for being a part of my journey here, and I can't wait to do even more fun things once the weather improves. Got a lot of things planned for spring and summer, and that'll be great. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.